Welcome guys to my documentary. So today is the day 2 from Brookie to Millionaire. So in today's documentary video I will show you my daily routine. So currently it's around 8:30 in the morning. So I will show you what I do from morning till night. So watch the work. Thank you. So I just came from bath. So currently it's around 9. So I will sit on my setup and mark some POI and straight go to the college. And in college I will try my best to record, and I will going to take a trade in London session. Thank you. So I will see you on my setup. I am in my college. I have finished just going to the home, and I will start the documentary from my home directly on my setup. So I'm back at home. So I was just sitting on my setup. I just watched this. How this FPG has been, I failed to watch. So because of that one single FPG I don't found, I missed all this uptrend from here to here. So no problem. Today I have a task written, like today I'm going to do shoot off for my content. So after doing lunch I will go for a little walk in the garden. There is a garden backside. Also I will try to shoot, and I am going to do kickboxing there. If possible I will shoot and do that.
There's someone to save me. I can't find myself. I'm totally lost.
just completed my work, edited my whole shoot, also edited, just documenting the progress, and I have just come for a walk little bit in a garden. So I was so much stressed, also I was so much tired. So after completing my work, I just completed a walk. I will complete my work and I will get you. Guys, currently it's 3:49. So I just came from a run and also I've done a kickboxing. So I'm sit on my desk to just edit some content, reel, and to post on my this channel. I will tag here. It's Atharvanalis. At there I post education reels, knowledge reels, and some other stuff related to the trading. So here we got here it was this time trading, but this is so I will edit all the reels, schedule it till Thursday. For the next week, my all videos will come on my channel. Also, it can come on our Instagram page. Now, just enjoy the time lapse. Thank you.
Yeah, all day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb, we would get drunk.
So I just completed my all task and I've written my progress in my journal. So here we come to the day, also come to this documentary video. So there will be next documentary uploading tomorrow. Just tell me in the comments. I will read all people's comment. The subscribe button and like button and share as much as you can. Thank you.